I know my hair is like super crazy. I had a mental breakdown the other day and I cut my bangs and I messed up. Hello everybody, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've posted and I'm sorry. Life is so crazy. It is the beginning of March and literally I have been on an emotional roller coaster. I just feel like this month brings back so many, like, dare I say, bad memories. Just memories that I don't want to remember all the time. I kind of have a hard time like processing my emotions. This happens literally every year. This is like not new. I just randomly got in the mood to record, and so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna record. My bed is not made. I just got a new mattress actually, and I should make my bed, but literally I'm gonna make my bed and then I'm gonna sit there and be like, well, I don't want to record, so here I am. And today's video I feel like has been long awaited, maybe not for everyone but for me and I know some close friends. I am going to be using the Alien palette today and I have no idea what I'm gonna do yet. Like, honestly, I have not looked up any inspiration for this palette or like looks and stuff, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but let's just get started because I don't know what else to say. So I'm going in with the MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base, and I'm just gonna be putting this all over my lids and like underneath my brows and stuff. And I won't be doing my brows, just to let you guys know. Next, I'm going to be going into the shade Titan, and I will be using that as like a base with this fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to be going into Abduction with this little fluffy brush. I'm going to be putting this color on my upper crease, not technically in the crease, but just like a little bit above it. Also, I'm pretty sure some of you guys can like see my brows starting to grow in. I apologize, literally. I mentioned to you guys that I'm a mess, and as you can see, it's true. Also, I'm pretty out of practice. So if my makeup ends up looking wonky, then it looks wonky and that's on me. So next I'm going to be going into the shade Flying Saucer with this, it's like a blending brush. I'm going to be putting it on my outer corner of my eye to kind of give like this greeny color some dimension. I'm also going to be taking the shade into my crease a little bit. Okay, so I went off camera and I cleaned it up a little bit. It's still a little bit messy. I blended it out a little bit more. I cut my crease, and I was thinking, because I'm doing the Alien palette, what if I, not now, but sometime this year, shaved off my brows? You guys, literally, I only do half brow anyway. Girl, what if it was all gone? Kind of scary. But if you think I should shave off my brows sometime this year, leave a comment down below. Like, girl, that would be crazy. So I'm going to go into the shade Alien with this flat brush, and of course I'm going to be spraying it with some setting spray, and the setting spray I'm using is Revolution Makeup Calming Makeup Fixing Spray with Cannabis Sativa. Honestly, you guys, this shade is stunning. It is so gorgeous. Bitch, I'm shook. Okay, I'm gonna blend this out and I'm going to be right back. You guys, this already looks nuts. So off camera, I did decide to bring up like the shimmer shade, the Alien, like up, so when I opened my eyes you could still see it. Honestly, great decision. I should already know this. I have hooded eyes, but I am telling you, this is gorgeous. My plan was, for the next step, was to go into Area 51 on my lower lash line, but I feel like purple could easily ruin this look. I don't know, I'm kind of scared, so I'm kind of thinking of going into Phone Home, which is like this like mauve-y color. Mauve. mauve color, not mauve-y. I don't know, I'm kind of very indecisive. I don't want to bring like the dark green underneath my eyes, and I was kind of thinking like one of these grays, but I don't know, this is like crazy. There's like a lot of different colors that I guess I never like really realized is in here. Like I didn't even know there was like this mustard yellow. Like I didn't know like there was such like a pretty what even color is that? Like it's like a tan color, and I don't know, I just didn't realize how many like different colors was in here until I actually got to playing with it myself. So on my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this flat fluffy brush into the shade Phone Home. I kind of feel like a frog. I kind of feel like an alien. Like a not cute alien. Like she tried her best, hunty, but like this makes me feel like I have eye bags. You know what? Whatever. We're rolling with it because I am not putting in the effort to take this off and re-put it on. I'm going in with this pointy, almost tapered brush, and I'm going to be going into the shade Pluto. And I will also be spraying this with my setting spray. So I think I'm not gonna put any liner because out of practice, will fuck it up. I think I'm gonna add some dramatic lashes and hopefully it'll all pull this together. Maybe I can like clean up my face some more with some more concealer, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. And I have to hurry up with this outro because my kids that I have to watch are waking up. I can honestly say that I am stunned. Look how pretty. Oh my god. I also went in with a new foundation. Maybe I'll do another video on that another time. My usual like bronzing blush in my Cheek Leaders palette. And on my lips, I have Celebrity Skin from Jeffree Star. Literally gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was like short, simple, sweet. Hopefully I will be in the mood to make some more videos. I don't know, but yeah, don't forget to follow my socials. I'll have them linked down below. I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Bye. I just feel like this month brings back I just feel like this month brings back I just feel like this month brings back fuck. Hello, frog. What's the prob? Frog. But I think I'm gonna add
Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no